Well, Miss India 2015 contestant and model Diksha Singh is all set to take the political plunge by contesting the district panchayat elections from UP's Jaunpur. She spoke to India Today explaining what prompted her decision. Here's more.
A model and one of the 2015 Miss India finalists, beauty queen Diksha Singh is all set to take the political plunge. Diksha will contest the district panchayat election from Uttar Pradesh's Jaunpur, the place she was born and spent her childhood in. Diksha occupied the top spot on the trends list on Saturday, with internet abuzz with questions on what prompted the model's decision.
My dad just suggested me, and actually he always wanted me to be a part of politics. I've studied politics. I was a political science student. So then I just thought, why not?
Diksha hopes to make things better in her hometown at a time when people are suffering due to the raging pandemic.
I wouldn't really say that I've completely left it or quit. I would just say that sometimes your heart just wants you to follow something. With COVID going on, and human beings and humanity needs to come together and make this place a better version of, like living. And I think the first priority for us right now, especially during these times, should be a change and something that makes everything better around us.
The 24-year-old model graduated from MES College of Arts and Commerce in Goa. She signed up for several modeling assignments after completing her graduation. Women's empowerment, she says, will be her key focus if elected.
The only thing that has not changed in so many years is where I come from. That's my hometown. I've been very fortunate enough that I've been born in a family who are very supportive and women empowering in their own way. There are many other children around me who have not seen the same life, who have not been through the same privilege.
Welcoming Diksha's political entry, Samajwadi Party and BJP called her decision encouraging.
Diksha has come back to fight panchayat elections in Jaunpur in UP. We are proud of her, and let's hope that she's successful. They will be able to bring new voices, young voices, women's voices to the table and change the political landscape.
We want more women in politics, more politicians, I can say. She is going to give a very good message to the society.
15 girls, Halloween party pe.
In 2020, Diksha appeared in the music video of Darshan Rawal and Neha Kakkar's song Teri Aankhon Mein. Apart from this, she also starred in the music video of Darshan Rawal's song Rabba Meher Kari, which released this February. It now remains to be seen how she fares in her political innings. Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, that story is going up on our website as well. That's indiatoday.in. You can also download the app. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.